Welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I'm Daniel. Been a while since I posted anything lawnmower wise. I posted Red Ranger on a couple of little groups here and there, but other than that, nothing much on that. Today I'm going to be working on a John Deere that I purchased. It is an L110, supposedly 17.5 horse. It don't look like it's a 17.5 horse. I'll bring you in for a closer look, but it probably is more than likely because it's the way John Deere did these. But yeah, 17.5 horse. Not 100% sure what kind of motor. I'm going to say Tecumseh maybe. It don't actually say what it is. I'd have to run the serial number to find out. However, this is a running mower. The problem with it is it's dumping gas into the oil that's a result of a dirty carburetor. I done drained the oil out of it. I'm getting ready to put fresh oil in it, providing if I have enough. But I have to find a breather for it, which I may have one. I'm not sure. If I don't, I'm selling it regardless. But I would like to put a breather on it. If it's not the right size, then hopefully it'll fit good enough for what I need it for. Also needs ignition switch. I lost my view. It has a toggle over here, which I'm thinking that someone probably put that on there to bypass something, because it probably, but I'm not going to change that. These ignition switches are about, to get the right one, I know you can go to your Tractor Supply or you can go to Amazon. Amazon's pretty good about ordering them or getting the right one, but they range anywhere from $15 to $40, just as long as you find the correct one. If this works, I'm not going to be too concerned with it. I'm just going to clean it up, and I'm going to be putting it up for sale anyways. So it's not a bad looking John Deere, but I prefer not working on John Deeres when possible. The seat isn't in real bad condition. It's just got one little crack right here, which isn't terrible. It is fixable for somebody that does want to fix it, but it's got a little bit of paint missing on, move you over here. Yep, it's got a little bit of paint missing right here, and same on the other side. I could probably get some green paint, put it on there, but I don't think people are all that concerned with it. I'm going to power wash it, clean it up real good, make it look nice, and get it up for sale as soon as possible. It is kicking into mower season. It's been warming up, so that's what I want to go and get stuff ready for. So anyways, I'll cut back in here in a few minutes when I'm getting ready to do a little bit more cleaning up on it, and I'll show you what all I'm doing then. Alright, so I'm back. This is kind of oil that I typically use, 30 weight oil, pretty much any kind of oil, but this is the cheapest stuff for where I live. It's made by Harvest King, heavy duty premium. Some people say, well, it's too heavy for it. Well, no, it's not really. It can handle it. I've been using it for years, and I've never had an issue with it. So anyways, go ahead and get her filled up. I gotta find a key. I don't have a key for this tractor. I'd like to be able to fire it, but I also gotta do a quick cleaning on the carburetor. Let that drain out real good. I'll show you. We use my buddy turned me on to this idea, and I'll show you here in a second. So anyways, what my buddy showed me to do for cleaning up body and stuff, plastic bodies, this is really good for. Metal body, it does all right too, but This here we use he uses a different kind, but I bought this turtle wax at Wally World. Wet and black tire foam. It does really good for cleaning up the body, and I'll show you guys here in a little bit. I'm going to do the hood. I'll do the hood and the black, the dash and all that, and clean it up. And then the body itself, I'll have to paint it, or not paint it, but power wash it. Alright, so we're back. I actually found my buffer and all that, and my wax and everything, so I'm going to go ahead and wax it, but I'm going to go ahead and use this tire foam like I said before, because it does help clean it up. And it's dirty, but I don't have a power washer or hose hooked up. Everything's shut off because it's still technically winter for water, outside water use, so I'll just do it this way and see how this goes, and then we'll do some waxing on it. There we go. That didn't turn out too bad, but like I said, I want to get all that dirt and stuff. That was a clean towel. But yeah, I want to wax it up and make it look even better. So cut in here and set. Alright, so here we go. This particular mower is set outside for a long time. You can tell because the way it's all faded. At least I believe. So I know the guy I got from it was sitting in his backyard for about a year or so. Alright, so it's had a few minutes to dry. Anyways, so I'm going to take this buffer and get the pad on there, or the pad thing on there. And go ahead and just start buffing her out. There we go. A lot of dirt on there. I'm going to wash it and I'm going to buff it again. Just I kind of wanted to see what it looked like. So I just wait. Power washers down the road. So anyways, that's, I'm going to go ahead and cut it here for now. I'll come back to this here after it's cleaned up and stuff. It'll probably be another week or so. But you can follow my work that I do. I share it on a Facebook group called Garage Kept. It's my own personal Facebook page or group, whatever you want to call it. Link will be in the description. Also, if you want to support my channel, you can go down to the Patreon link. It'll be in the description also. Yeah, big old spider. I'm not asking for money, but I mean, if you want to support my channel, then by all means, you're more than welcome to. Also, hit that like button. That's a big deal for me. Subscribe, and your comments are appreciated. I usually share this on Facebook groups here and there, but if not, you can comment on my YouTube page. Not a big deal. Positive feedback is always a plus for me. But anyways, yes, thanks for watching, and I will see you for the part 2 continuation of the John Deere L110.